How many green plants have you got in your garden? Beautiful, beautiful leafy plants and colorful plants. Today I thought of sharing with you the plants that I have, the plants that are so green and adding a wonderful eye-catching look to your garden. So let's start the video. Welcome friends, welcome to Tamara's garden. I love keeping many ornamental plants in my garden to give it a green look. When you look at them, especially in the morning, it gives me a great pleasure and joy. So stay tuned to Tamara's garden. When we talk about beautiful greeny plants, pandanus plants I have at the entrance, and they are in a bit huge pot. These plants are very easy to grow, permanent plants and low maintenance plants. I have them at my entrance of the garden, and here I have this beautiful leafy plant, so green, the Aralia plant. And also I have this beautiful syngonium which is so green and adds a lot of, they are elegant. So you also like adding these greens to your garden. See the beauty of the garden once you add them. Triangular ficus variegated plant. This one also a beautiful leafy greeny plant. It also adds elegance to your garden. Here also I have another pandanus plant. Look at how huge it is. Now take a look at this. Look at the syngoniums growing under this huge currant tree. And also I have these beautiful greens, philodendron. They are also so attractive. Only brought a small stem of this beautiful greeny philodendron. Now it is so huge. And here I have the Chinese evergreen plants. They are also full of the pot. So beautiful. Here I have my peace lily plants. They are also so green and beautiful. They are air purified plants too. Take a look at this plant. This is also so green and creamy look. It also eye-catching and so beautiful. This is Christina plant. This is also and also is at the entrance. If you took a look at this huge philodendron plant I have kept at a corner in my house, and it is also another beautiful plant for your garden. These are best house plants, so green and eye-catching. If you have varieties of palm plants, they are also so green and adds beauty to your garden. Varieties of pandanus plants also beautify your garden. This is one of the varieties that I have at my backyard, and it's really very wonderful to see. Adding one of the beautiful bird nest plants also in your garden will definitely add green to your garden. It is so eye-catching and elegant. They are also permanent and low maintenance, no need to give any fertilizer. Just keep it in an area where they get the partial to medium sunlight. Bright indirect sunlight also will do, but see that you take care of the plant from harsh sun rays. I have a couple of plants with me. Aloe vera, being a medicinal plant, is very useful in garden, and also they are so green and elegant. This is a vastu plant too, friends. Beautiful leafy plant, this Monstera Swiss cheese plant. It's called as the broken heart plant as well. It's also so green and beautiful. Look at the pattern of the leaf. So elegant. We have another plant in a separate pot. You can give a support, a moss stick or whatever, a stick to support for the plant. Different type of alocasia, low maintenance and permanent plants also adds green to your garden. You can keep them as indoor plants too.